Okay, so this is my first video where I'm gonna talk to you all. So, firstly, my name is Khushi Chandra. I am in class 12, stream arts. Now, few people will go like, just leave this video and go away. Arts ki only? You. Arts subject? You. Why arts? I'll give all the questions, all the answers ki arts kyun liya, why I have been loving all the subjects in art, what are my subjects, how this channel will be helpful for you. So pehla cheez, how this channel will be helpful for you. Now currently I'm in class 12. My class 11 journey has been very roller coaster type. Like I have been in ICSE school till class 10, like KG1 से class 10 I have been ICSE school. उसके बाद 11th में I came to CBSE school and took arts. Like coming in CBSE and class 10 ICSE, I literally scored very good marks. Like 90% was very good for ICSE क्योंकि ICSE का syllabus is test and CBSE का syllabus is test. Like I'm not categorizing it. CBSE is tough for the students who have been studying, and if we were taught in CBSE, it would be tough for me. I accept the thought कि CBSE स्टूडेंट्स और ICSE स्टूडेंट्स में कंपैरिजन नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि हम लोग को बचपन से ही ज़्यादा पढ़ाया जा रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई नया चीज़ है. हम लोग को बचपन से ही जहाँ CBSE के स्टूडेंट्स 5 चैप्टर कर रहे हैं, वी आर स्टडिंग 10 चैप्टर्स, जो ऑटोमेटिकली वी गेन दैट हैबिट कि हम लोग को 10 चैप्टर ही पढ़ना है या 15 चैप्टर ही पढ़ना है. लेकिन CBSE वाले बच्चों को 5 पढ़ाया गया और उस 5 में इतना घुमा के पढ़ाया गया कि दे हैव बीन हैबिचुएटेड टू दोस 5 चैप्टर्स. सो आई अग्री कि CBSE इज़ good at its place and ICSE is good at. तो CBSE और ICSE का I'll talk in different video. Let it be now. Now what I'm saying is how this channel will be helpful for you. As I came from ICSE students, so I know कि ICSE में क्या mindset होता है, CBSE में क्या mindset होता है. I've been studying in CBSE since 1 year. ठीक है. तो class 11th में I came new friends, new environment, new journey. And in that new class, I have been scoring the top marks. Like मेरे section में जितने भी students हैं, I'm not saying कि students कम हैं या फिर students नहीं हैं, competition like है, students है, and those are my friends. Like not so close friends, but everyone is my friend. ठीक है, तो people are there who can score good, but I scored the top marks. Like you can call topper, but ऐसा किसी को tag वगैरह I don't like to give. So I scored. I know marks is not too good, but पूरे school में 11th में students have not been scoring. Like students have not been scoring this marks. Previously when I saw the album, there were students who got 88, 87. Like arts में 88, 87 they received, और science में तो इससे भी कम. Like generally इससे भी कम. Arts में सबसे ज़्यादा score. And this time I scored 92.7% or something like that. ठीक है, तो it was the highest marks in all the 3 streams: science, commerce and arts. I scored 92.6 or 7. I don't know. I don't remember exactly, but it was 92%. ठीक है, तो I can guide you how to pass your 11th. Pretty good. Like I know okay how it went. I am very new and experienced student, so I know कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लेना. तो each and everything will be said in the video, and I think it will be helpful for everyone, like those who are taking arts. And why are you taking arts? First question कि why are you taking arts? What are the subjects you should select in the arts stream? And second thing and third thing, it will be like I'll just means many things are there to be said to an art student. Like I have been so demotivated. Like पहले क्या हुआ था, 10th में I decided कि आर्ट्स लेंगे, but then I was like कि my father was like कि नहीं, आर्ट्स स्कोरिंग नहीं होता, आर्ट्स में कुछ नहीं होता, आर्ट्स ये आर्ट्स वो. मैं like कि ठीक है, I won't take arts. I'll take science, PCM, and then I'll crack NDA, and then वगैरह वगैरह. But then I realized, bro, एक बात से how can I change my thinking? Class 8 से I've decided कि मुझे आर्ट्स लेना है. How can I change it just in 1 second? So everything will be said to you. Okay, so many things will be uploaded in this channel. I'll be regular, consistent, and will try to share everything, all the notes of class 11th, like history, geography, political science, economics, English plus हिंदी. नोट्स नहीं होगा, हिंदी का क्वेश्चन आंसर्स होगा. इंग्लिश का आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि इंग्लिश का नोट्स होगा, बट हाफ ईयरली तक होगा, उसके बाद से आई हैव स्टॉप राइटिंग. बट जितना भी होगा आई शेयर एवरीथिंग, लाइक एवरी पर्टिकुलर नोट, एवरी पर्टिकुलर whatever I have for my 11th from my 11th study session, whatever I have, I'll be sharing it. NCERT notes, NCERT book, whatever I have highlighted, everything which is important, you all to know, will be shared to you. And so thank you so much being till here, and I hope you'll be watching my next upcoming videos. So thank you.